Good morning, students. In today's class, we will see the summary of the chapter 12, or you can say I am taking the revision of the chapter 12, that is exponents and powers. So in this class, we will discuss that what you have read in this class and what you learn. Clear? So when you start this chapter, I told you that what is the use of the exponents and powers and why we are read this chapter. So here you came to know that for the large numbers, okay, and for very small numbers, we are using exponents and powers. Okay. So जैसे कि आप you can see here an example that mass of earth is 5970 and so many times zeros are written and kg. So you know that this is a very huge value. Clear? So now to write this value, ठीक है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा हमारे लिए कि हम इस वैल्यू को बार बार लिखे क्योंकि अगर एक भी जीरो मिस हो गया इस वैल्यू में से, सो माय आंसर विल बी इनकरेक्ट. यस. सो फॉर दैट हम क्या करते हैं, हमने इसको लिखा कि 5.97 into 10 की पावर 24 kg. सो 24 कैसे लिखा? आई काउंट that how many times zeros are here. So when I count 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, ठीक है, and then 3, 12, then 3, 15, then 18, then 21, then 21 के after you can see here, then 21, then this are, अब देखो ये यहाँ पे 22 आ गई, बट हमने इसके आगे इसको शिफ्ट कर दिया, सो इट बिकम 5.97 into 10 की पावर 24 kg. यस. नाउ सी हम इसको कैसे पढ़े? हियर इट इज रिटन दैट इट इज read as 10 raised to the power 24, where your 24 is the exponent and your 10 is the base. So we say that 10 raised to the power 24. ठीक है? Now in this chapter you already read about the negative exponents and positive exponents. So powers with positive exponents you have read in class 7. And when I start this chapter, I told you that if it is written 2 raised to the power 5. So what is the meaning of 2 raised to the power 5? It means that we have to multiply 2 5 times. So इसीलिए हम लिखते हैं 2 raised to the power 5. Similarly, when I am saying 2 raised to the power m, so it means that we have to multiply 2 by m times. ठीक है? What if the powers are given in negative numbers? क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको मैंने सिखाया था वाई नेगेटिव नंबर्स आर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एंड हाउ वी आर सेइंग दैट अगर मैं किसी भी नंबर के पास जीरो करती हूँ तो वो मेरा 1 कैसे आता है. तो यू कैन सी हियर 10 squares, so I can write 10 square as 10 into 10 is equals to 100. Then 10 raised to the power 1, so I can write it 10 is equals to 100. और मैं इस 10 को कैसे लिख सकती हूँ? this 100 और this 10. ठीक है? So 100 by 10. Similarly 10 raised to the power 0. ठीक है? 1 हम जो बोल रहे कैसे? Now the answer in the previous case is 10 and my base is 10. So I divide 10 by 10 and getting the answer 1. And now if I say what is 10 raised to the power minus 1? So how I can write? I can say that 10 raised to the power minus 1 है. So here in the previous case your answer is 1. ठीक है? previous case में आपका answer 1 है. And in this case you will say your base is 10. So 10 raised to the power minus 1 become equal to 1 upon 10. So that is how your negative power introduced, negative exponents are introduced. So 10 raised to the power minus 2 is, again you will say 1 upon 10 square. 10 raised to the power minus 3 is 1 upon 10 cube. So that is how you will say the negative exponents are expressed. Clear? Now if I want to say 3 raised to the power cube, 3 raised to the power square, 3 raised to the power 1 and 3 raised to the power 0 and the negative powers of 3. So same pattern is using here. So can we say that for any non-zero integer a raised to the power minus m, see here, so can we say that in general for any non-zero integer a raised to the power minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m, where m is a positive integer and a minus a raised to the power minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to the power m. So from here you are getting one important note, ठीक है, that जो a raised to the power minus 1 होता है, that is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to the power m. And we can write a raised to the power minus m as 1 upon a raised to the power m. Okay, from here you get this note. So if I want to find the multiplicative inverse of the following, so can you say that 2 raised to the power minus 4 is the multiplicative inverse of this is 2 raised to the power 4. The multiplicative inverse of this is 10 raised to the power 5. The multiplicative inverse of this is 7 square. Multiplicative inverse of this is 5 cube and the multiplicative inverse of this is 10 raised to the power 100. Clear? Now if I want to express the decimal numbers in the exponents, okay, in the expanded form I want to write these numbers. So see, the number is given 1425.36. Now I want to write this number in the expanded form. So I start from here. Before decimal, I will say my 5 is unit place, 2 is tens place, 4 is 100 place and 1 is 1000 place. तो 1 को मैं किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी? 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10, 5 into 1. And जो decimal के बाद value I will write them. इसके हिसाब से ये मेरी 1/10 है, ये मेरी 100 place है. So I will write 3 upon 10 and 6 upon 100. So can I say this is equals to 1 into 10 cube plus 4 into 10 square plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. So that is how we write them in the expanded form. Now see this questions. बेटा ये जितने भी try these questions हैं जो मैं इस वीडियो में आपको समझा रही हूँ, all these questions you will do in your homework notebook. Is that clear? That is your today's homework that you will do in your homework notebook. So now if I want to write this in the expanded form, so I can simply write this is my ones place, this is my tens place, this is my 100 place, this is my 1000 place, and this is 1/10 and this is 100. Okay? Similarly, this is my ones place, this is my tens place, this is my 100 place, this is my 1000 place, this is 1/10, 100, 1000. Okay? After this, we see the topic of laws of exponents. Yes. इसके बाद हमने क्या topic देखा है? We see the topic of laws of exponents, where we read 4 laws, 4 and 5 laws. Okay? So we will see those laws here. So my first law is that if I जो अभी आपने ऊपर पढ़ा, that is a raised to the power minus m is equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m for any non-zero integer a. ठीक है? So you can see here 2 raised to the power minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 2 cube. So this is my first law. Now I told you that in the case of multiplication, powers get added. ठीक है? In the case of multiplication, you can see 1 upon minus 3 raised to the power 4 into minus 3 raised to the power 3. So you can see here, these bases are same and the powers are different. So base को हमने एक साथ लिखा and the powers get added. So I am getting 3 raised to the power minus 7. When the bases are same and the numbers are given in division, so I can write them a raised to the power m minus n, where m and n are natural numbers and m is greater than n. Yes. So in general, see here your first law of exponent that you have seen. In general, for any non-zero integer a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equals to a m plus n, where m and n are integer. So this is your first law. So simplify and write in exponential form. So you will do this question. You will simplify them. Ab now see here, this is one question, p raised to the power 3, p raised to the power minus 10. Very easy है बेटा. देखो p बेस है आपका सेम है, आप इसमें पावर्स ऐड करेंगे तो 3 प्लस माइनस 10, तो क्या आंसर आ जाएगा? p raised to the power minus 7. Yes. Now see here the laws of exponents that is given here. You can see, ठीक है, that a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equals to am minus n. Then amn is equals to a raised to the power mn. Then a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equals to ab raised to the power m. Then a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m is equals to ab raised to the power m. And the fifth is a raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Clear? So these are the 5 laws that you have seen in this class and you have studied in class 7 also. Now after this, you will see your example 1. Now see beta here, no one asked me कि मैम हमें homework में क्या करना है. I told you you have to do only try these वाले questions. ठीक है? So you can see here the questions that find the value of 2 raised to the power minus 3. So I can write it 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3. It will become equal to 1 raised to the power 8. Then 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2, it is equals to 3 raised to the power 2. It becomes 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Then you will simplify it, okay, and you will divide it. You will use laws of exponent here. Now to convert 4 raised to the power minus 3 as the base of 2. So you know that we can write 4 as 2 into 2. So I convert my 4 into 2 raised to 2 square, and 2 square ko I will multiply by minus 3. So it becomes 2 raised to the power minus 6. The next question is simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. So you all will see these questions and okay, and see this question, minus 3 raised to the power m plus 1 into minus 3 raised to the power 5 is equals to minus 3 raised to the power 7. Now see both sides, whether on right hand side and left hand side, your bases are same. Okay, you can apply left hand side the laws of exponent of multiplication. So as minus 3 is in multiplication, so the powers get added. So can I write this as minus 3 raised to the power m plus 1 plus 5? Okay, so it becomes minus 3 raised to the power m plus 6. And this side I am getting minus 3 raised to the power 7. So I will say on both the sides, powers have the same base, different from 1 and minus 1. So their exponents must be equal. So I will keep their exponents equal and I will get m plus 6 is equals to 7. So m is 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. Okay? So that is how we find the value of the m. Now your next question is find the value of 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. So you can write this 2 raised to the power minus 3, 3 raised to the power 2 or reciprocal. So if you will get 3 by 2 whole square, so it will be 9 by 4. So 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2. So you have to simplify it. So first I am solving the bracket, then I am using the laws of exponent or simply the simplification. So I will write 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 as 3 square, 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 as 2 cube. So it will become 9 minus 8 divided by 4 square 16. So I will get 1 by 16. Is that clear, beta? So now that is how we will do, okay, our questions, and this is the summary of this chapter till here. Okay, we will further revise this chapter on our next class and then we will start our new chapter.